Alphabet knowledge is a key component to helping students learn how to read. When they are struggling with reading, it is crucial to start with the basics, the alphabet. One of the problems a struggling reader deals with is naming letters and matching upper and lowercase letters. However, a teacher has no need to worry. There are several strategies to help this student begin the process of reading. Today we are going to discuss 6 of these strategies, including alphabet books, student-made ABC books, sorting letters, alphabet charts, the use of environmental print, and the alphabet song. The first strategy involves alphabet books. These can be a great starting point. It shows the student what the letter looks like, a word that starts with the letter, and a corresponding picture. Some alphabet books even help with the pronunciation and how the student's mouth is supposed to look like when they say the letter. An option stemming off the idea of an alphabet book is for the student to construct their own. The teacher can provide the student with blank pieces of paper and instruct them to write the letter at the top, a word that begins with the letter, and a picture. For instance, if you look at the top left picture, the student typed the upper and lowercase format of the letter A. They chose to use the word alligator and found a picture. This is a great idea to jumpstart their creative minds at a young age. Often students who cannot read also struggle with identifying the difference between upper and lowercase letters. As soon as the student begins their handwriting lessons, the teacher can use this activity to see how well they can recognize the difference between upper and lowercase letters. Another great tool to introduce letters is through the use of an alphabet chart. These typically have the letter in both upper and lowercase format, a word that begins with that letter, and a matching picture. With this visual chart of the alphabet, students can see what the letter looks like and begin to identify that letter in a word. Similarly, English language learners have to start from the basics because most foreign languages have a completely different format for their alphabet. Just as alphabet charts are useful for native English speakers, they can also be used for English language learners. In the 2 charts shown, the Punjabi and Hindu alphabet are included as they correspond to the English alphabet. These alphabet charts can be very useful to jumpstart the English language learner's journey to reading. Environmental print is another strategy that can be used in the classroom as well. Many teachers will hang posters to start getting their students to recognize the letters in various signs, restaurants, stores, etc. Now, if you showed these pictures to a random elementary student, they would almost be able to tell you what each of these correspond to. I guarantee they would know the Nintendo sign, the Nike swoosh, the Pixar eye, the Toys R Us sign, and most definitely the McDonald's sign. These can be very useful within a classroom to help the students gain awareness of what is around them. The last strategy and most used is the alphabet song. This is often taught before or during the students' preschool years. When learning this song, the teacher needs to be careful how he or she sings it because many students will blend the letters L, M, N, O, and P into one letter. However, it still remains an engaging and fun way to learn the alphabet. In conclusion, we discussed 6 strategies that could help the struggling reader who cannot name letters or match upper and lowercase letters. The alphabet song simply introduces the student to what the alphabet is. Alphabet books, student-made ABC books, alphabet charts, and environmental print are all various ways to help the student gain awareness of what letters look like and possibly how they sound. These 4 strategies can also be used to help English language learners begin to learn the English alphabet. Sorting letters is a little more advanced, where the student can be evaluated to see if they recognize the difference between upper and lowercase letters. So, when a student is having an extremely difficult time reading, start from the basics and see if the student even recognizes the letters of the alphabet.